Welcome to the mini farm. This is 3889 Pineybrook Drive, a hidden treasure in Loganville, Georgia. 4.2 acres of privacy, enough to bring the horses, the animals, or an outdoor business. This property features a really cool hangar style garage, 50 foot by 42 feet with 220-volt electrical with room for a fifth wheel or RV. This property also features a 36 by 52 5-stall barn with tack room, a chicken coop, and a pole barn. The yard is flat and pool ready, no HOA in Loganville schools. Not to mention the beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with hardwood floors throughout. As if all the other goodies weren't enough, lining the back of the beautiful property is your very own creek. For more information and photos of this property and the house, please visit soldbytheprinceGroup.com.